Hello everyone, Ryan here. Welcome to our review on AutoDS versus CJ Dropshipping. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the world of dropshipping tools to help you make an informed decision about which one is best suited for your business. We'll start by examining the key differences between the two popular platforms, then move on to comparing their pricing models in detail and wrap up with an in-depth analysis of their unique strengths and features. So by the end of this video, not only will you have a clear understanding of AutoDS and CJ Dropshipping, but you will also be equipped with all the knowledge needed to select the ideal tool for streamlining your dropshipping business and taking it to new heights. And real quick, before we get into the comparison, if you don't have an account with Shopify yet, you can begin with a free trial by using the link in the description. By creating a Shopify store using the link, you will get a 3-day free trial, and then after that, you can choose to continue with any one of the plans for only $1 on your first month. It's a great opportunity to start at a lower cost, so go ahead, click the link and follow the simple sign-up process and you'll be ready to go. Although both AutoDS and CJ Dropshipping are designed to streamline the dropshipping process, they serve slightly different purposes and offer distinct functionalities. AutoDS primarily focuses on automating order and supplier management with features like automated order management, supply management, and an activity dashboard. These features are geared towards making the process of managing orders and suppliers more efficient, saving you precious time and effort, and providing a comprehensive overview of your business operations. With AutoDS, you can easily keep track of your orders, monitor your inventory levels, and ensure that your suppliers are meeting your expectations. On the other hand, CJ Dropshipping is more product-oriented, with key features including product information management, sales automation, and vendor management. These features are designed to help users manage their product information, automate sales processes, and manage vendors effectively. CJ Dropshipping places a strong emphasis on helping you find the right products to sell, optimize your product listings, and streamline your sales processes. And this can be particularly useful for those who are new to dropshipping and need guidance in selecting products and setting up their online store. Another important key area to discuss is the pricing. AutoDS and CJ Dropshipping take different approaches, catering to different needs and budgets. AutoDS offers a wide range of options depending on the platform that you're using, such as eBay, Shopify, Facebook, Amazon, Wix, and Etsy. For this example, we're going to focus on the Shopify integration. And at the moment for AutoDS, you've got the Import 200 at $26.90 per month, the Starter 500, the most popular plan, at $39.90 per month, and the first advanced plan, which is at 1K import for $66.90 per month. Now keep in mind that these are the monthly prices, and if you were to pay annually, you would save up to 25% off. And if you're an advanced seller and you need even more imports, then you can choose one of these packages right here. They start at 2K and the maximum is to import 8,000. And if you need more, then you can even contact the sales and agree on a price. So this tiered pricing structure allows you to choose a plan that suits your specific needs and scale up as your business grows. Whether you are just starting out or running a high volume dropshipping store, AutoDS has a plan that can accommodate your requirements. In contrast, CJ Dropshipping takes a more straightforward approach to pricing by being completely free to use. There are no storage fees, monthly fees, setup fees, or minimum order requirements. And this makes it an attractive option for those on a tight budget or just starting out and testing things. You will only be charged a processing fee if you buy products from other channels. Even if you buy directly from CJ, there will be no processing fee. For warehouse fees, they only charge for products sourced outside CJ and kept in the CJ warehouse for too long or have a low circulation rate. But normally they don't charge for that either. And this very simple pricing model can be appealing to those who want to keep their costs low and avoid the complexities of tiered pricing plans. Going back to AutoDS, this is primarily used for automating the dropshipping process, and it offers several key features that can save you time and effort. One of its most notable features is the dropshipping product importer, which allows you to import products directly from AliExpress to your store by simply typing in the AliExpress link. And this feature eliminates the need for manual product import, saving you hours of tedious work. Moreover, the product importer also supports bulk product imports, allowing you to add multiple products to your store at once. And this further streamlines the process. Another useful feature offered by AutoDS is product sourcing. If you don't have an agent in China, then AutoDS can ship your products from China directly to their warehouse, They will then inspect your products to ensure quality and handle any communication issues with Chinese suppliers on your behalf to ensure that you're getting the best deal possible. This feature addresses the common problem of the communication barrier between Chinese suppliers and Western dropshippers, saving you from potential misunderstandings and ensuring that your products meet your standards. On the other hand, CJ Dropshipping may not have the same level of automation as AutoDS. But even then, it makes up for it with its strong focus on product management and unique features. One of the standout features of CJ Dropshipping is its website, which has a page similar to AliExpress, making it incredibly easy for you to find potential winning products to sell on your site. You can browse through a wide range of products, view detailed product information, and even see sales data to help you make informed decisions about which products to add to your store. Another unique feature of CJ Dropshipping is the ability to estimate the delivery time for a product. By editing some of the information, such as the destination country and shipping method, you can determine how long a product will take to arrive at your customer's doorstep. This information can be incredibly valuable when deciding which products to sell, as you can avoid products with excessively long shipping times that may lead to customer dissatisfaction. CJ Dropshipping also offers a feature that allows you to import product reviews directly to your Shopify store. And in my opinion, this feature can be a game changer for your business, as reviews from real customers can help you build trust and credibility with potential buyers. By showcasing genuine reviews on your product pages, you can increase the likelihood of making a sale and encourage customers to leave their own reviews, further strengthening your store's reputation. So, which of the tools is better for your dropshipping business? And the answer ultimately depends on your specific needs, budget, and the aspects of dropshipping that you want to focus on. However, all in all, if your primary goal is to automate your order and supplier management process and save time on daily tasks, then AutoDS would be a great choice for you. On the other hand, if your priority is product management and you want to access unique features like product reviews and delivery time estimation, then CJ Dropshipping could be the better fit. Its product-oriented approach and free pricing model can be particularly appealing to those just starting out or looking to keep their costs low. So I recommend trying both tools out, as AutoDS has a start for only $1 kind of deal. Get a feel for the platform and see how it suits your business. And once you've tested both tools, you can gain first-hand experience and make an informed decision based on your specific needs and preferences. And with that, we will have reached the end of today's video. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this comparison to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Definitely don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.